Yo, geht los.
Hallo und willkommen zum neuen BDT-Video.
Ein bisschen mehr in der Hand. Viel nicer. Jetzt geht's los hier.
As if we were exploring a ghost town. At least it felt like that when we were visiting a vast abandoned industrial area on day 2 of our urbex road trip in Austria. Once, this was one of the biggest gasworks sites in the region. Today, the compound fallows, and nature is winning back what was once hers. Together with Tato from the YouTube channel The Tattogram, we explored a variety of buildings on the area of around 20 hectares. While doing this, we were overwhelmed by the impressive dimensions. We are one of the last people who will be able to see the site with their own eyes, before there will be a massive change shortly. Many years ago, a gas plant operated on this site. Today, this can only be guessed. But the fact is that this area was like its own small town. There were residential houses for the executive employees and engineers, as well as a hospital, workshops, and a big canteen with stage. Some acres of land were even provided for the cultivation of vegetables and the breeding of rabbits. Once, the premises had a size of over 40 hectares. Today, only half of the size is left, because parts of this property already have a new use. For example, a power plant was built right next door. Around a third of the still existing buildings are under monument protection. In 1911, the Gasworks went active. Due to the general mechanization here, only 150 people were employed. During World War II, the site was hit by over 200 bombs, due to which 7 workers left their lives. The whole plant was damaged really badly back then. not until the post-war years it was possible to rebuild the gasworks. In 1952, it started to operate again. Originally, around 50 million cubic meters of city gas were produced here per year. After the reconstruction, the output could even be increased to 166 million cubic meters. Until 1969, the gas production conducted from coal. Only thereafter, natural gas was taken as base material. After that, the operation of the gas plant ceased, bit by bit. In 1987, the facility was superseded by a district heating plant. Until the year 2006, some of the remaining buildings were used by the administration. Today, mainly the impressive 1- and 2-storied houses, which remind you of mansions, are left. They are surrounded by 2 big alleys. It is said that a former worker is still living in one of the residential houses today.
Ja genau, da geht's los. Nee. Nee. Ja, gut. Nee, ja. Was stimmt denn nicht mit dir? Gott. Ein weiteres gerettetes Tier von BWT.
In the course of the production and because of the effects of war, it came to an extensive and profound pollution of the underground. Typical contaminants of gasworks, like chemicals, got inside the soil and groundwater. Around year 2005, the whole area was all-encompassing decontaminated. Control examinations of the groundwater proved that the site is no risk of danger any longer. Now the area is supposed to be revived. A whole new neighborhood is going to be constructed here. Over 1,400 housings are planned, as well as large parks. all the design work is already done. In this very year, the building works are supposed to start. The first houses are supposed to be ready at the end of 2018. And nothing will be left that reminds of how this area looked erstwhile. This was part 3 of our road trip in August. We're already halfway through our new series. Leave us some feedback in the comments and be sure to check out the YouTube channel of the Tattoogram. Hopefully you guys will be back next time, because the following episode will be super wicked.